Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Snapchat account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then select the Get icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the login verification option under the security section and tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch to turn on login verification. You may be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving verification codes, either through SMS or an authentication app, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now your Snapchat account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your verification method accessible to avoid any login issues in the future.